Welcome to the another video of punoscho.in. Today we are with the 100-watt power bank module. This is a very customized module that you can customize according to your own need. But before going into the depth, please do subscribe to us and click the bell icon available so you get much more information about other products and DIY modules. So here is the 100-watt module. This 100-watt module supports a huge range of specifications and configurations that you can configure according to your own need. And here is the LEDs for the charging related information. Here is a USB-C. This is bidirectional, so it can charge your mobile phone in quick charge protocol. We will test it out. It can also charge the GoPro or your anything, your laptop or anything that supports the USB QCPD charging protocol. The chipset that it uses is IP2368. So here is the battery connections available over here, and here is the input. So let's get the information about how to configure this thing up. So this is the thing, and we have a bunch of a chart available over here for how you can configure this thing up. So basically using the R2, the R2 is available over here. If you can see it properly, this is the R2. This is the R2, and this R2 is right now open. So if you just short this one, this will support Li-Fi battery. If it is open, it supports the Li-ion battery. Now depending on this R2, you can select the R4. The R4 is available over here. So this is the R4. So based on the R4 value, you can actually choose the battery voltage. So if it is R2 is short, that means it is in Li-Fi battery. So it can support 3.5 volt at 5K, 3.6 volt at 10K, 3.65 volt at 15K, and 20K or more. If you use in the resistor, it will support 3.7 volt. On the other case, if it is open, which is right now is the default case, so the R4 resistor chooses the battery of the Li-ion battery. So 7.5K for 4.15 volt, 10K for 4.2 volt, 15K for 4.3 volt, 17.5K to 4.35 volt, and 20K or more to have 4.4 volt of the charge. Other than that, depending on your battery, you can choose the battery image. This is very important because this module supports the capacity display over the LEDs. So if you choose the wrong resistor value and use a wrong battery, it will charge and discharge, but it will not show it properly over here how much charge is available or whether it is charging or not. So if you are using 5000 mAh battery, 6.2K, 10,000 mAh for 12.4K, 15,000 mAh 18.7K, 20,000 mAh 24.9K, and 25,000 mAh 30.9K, and these 5 configuration can be chosen by the R5 resistor value. So the R5 resistor is actually available over here. So if you can see, this is the R5 resistor. So based on these 3 resistors, this is very highly customizable that you can barely get in any other power bank charging modules basically. So let's test it out and how it is working and all. So let's move it out. I am testing it on the default configuration. I have already made the connections over here to just test it out. So if you can see, I have using 4S batteries over here, and I am having the modules available. I am also having a quick charge protocol based mobile phone. This is Redmi 5G K20. This is a very high-end mobile phone available. So let's test it out. So I am connecting a USB-C to USB-C, and as always, be always careful about selecting this wire because this should support the quick charge or fast charging protocol. So let me connect it out. So I have just connected it. The LED started glowing. I am connecting it once again. So I have connected it once again. If you can see, this is a quick charge is showing over here. So it's actually supporting the quick charge protocol. and the battery is currently in fully charged condition. So you can continue just discharge it over here. Now when you want to charge the battery, you can simply connect this same connector to actually charge your power bank module. So I am just connecting over here. I am having a already 65-watt charger. So if you can see that if I connect it over here, this actually charges and it shows how much charge is remaining. So basically there are 4 LEDs, one for, if I just divide, so each LED providing information about 25% of the charge remaining. So right now it's 75% already charged up and the rest 25% is charging. So this is all, and you can use this module. I have provided all the links in this video, so to get this module easily, and you can use it in any larger related projects or something like that. And one thing is to remember that the 25,000 mAh is showing over here as maximum, but you can actually use more than that. You can use 50,000 mAh battery as well in 30.9K, but the thing is that it will not show it correctly, but it will still charge it and discharge it. It may take some larger time because the same, you cannot increase the current, but it will be a good to go. So this is all about today's video. See you on the next time with another module, and if you have any suggestions about the modules, how to use it, or any internal questions or configurations, please make a comment, so we will make a video according to it. And for the next season, have a nice day. Bye bye.